It's like this.
Oh yeah. Oh, which one should I pick now? Because apparently I have 3 out. 1, 2, or 3.
I don't fucking care. Pick this one because it's a nigga.
Yeah, but which one can you notice the most? What the hell?
None of them. I didn't even notice any of them were out.
Ready, watch. This is gonna be wicked intense.
Oh shit.
Ready? I'm gonna give lights to the world.
What did you just do?
Took out one of the light bulbs.
And that's what happens? They all go out?
Yep.
Why the fuck did they do that?
I don't know.
And Ashley said, let there be lights. And there was fucking lights. And then we danced.
Now they're like flickering. One of those feathers already came off.
That's fucking great. How long have you had this?
Since 4th grade.
Neither black nor white.
I'm like wiping my eye, don't record me.
Don't record me. Wiping my eye. Dog, if there was anything on this bed, could we jump on it even though we can clearly hit our head?
No, because I tried jumping and I went
I tried jumping on my head. True life, I'm a fucking retard.
And this bed is only a couple years old, so.
Only a couple years old.
Yeah, and people like my bed, so.
I like your bed too.
So does Evan. That sounds bad though.
It does kind of sound bad.
He only laid on it, so. Like, you know, lie down with clothes on. With clothing on!
I don't know what you're looking at when the camera's right here.
With clothing on!
Oh, where's your strobe light?
Oh shit, I don't know.
Get that shit out, nigga.